Alright guys, alright, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can give your new created Facebook account and admin access to your page. Alright, if Facebook disable your ad account, alright, and you create a new Facebook account and also create and also added a new ad account to that new created Facebook account, for you to run ads for that your page that you created, you have to first of all give that your newly created Facebook account and admin access to your page, so that your newly created Facebook account can manage your Facebook page. Okay, because if you didn't give that your newly created Facebook account and admin access to your page, it can't do anything. Alright, so for it to manage your page, you have to give that Facebook account and admin access to your page. So if that your newly created Facebook, if you want to give it an admin access to your page, you have to give it a full control access, not a partial access. Alright, you have to give it a full control access. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do that, how you can give your newly created Facebook and admin access to your page, so that it can manage your ads and also the page for you. Okay, so that you can manage that your page through that your newly created Facebook account. Okay, so and I advised us in the other video, if you want to run an ad, don't use just like your Facebook ad account has been disabled because you did open, and you don't have that right to open another ad account because you didn't do that before it was disabled. So now that you have created a new Facebook account, don't use that ad account that is linked to it to run ad. Instead, create a new ad account. Use this your newly created Facebook account and create a new ad account. If you don't know how to create a new ad account now that you have created a new Facebook account, I've made a video on that, and I might drop the link to that video on the description below. Okay, so click on that link on the description below to watch how you can create a new ad account. So that new ad account that you created is what you are going to use to run ads, not the ad account that is linked to the Facebook account that you created. Okay, alright, so let's go. So for you to give your newly created Facebook account and access to your page, you have to make sure that you have logged in that your newly created Facebook account to Facebook. Okay, you've logged it in to Facebook and log out the previous Facebook account that was disabled. You log it out, then log in the new one that you created. Log it into Facebook app. Okay, either through Chrome or through the app. So when you log it in, first of all you search for that your page on the search bar. Okay, when you search the page, you follow the page. Okay, you follow that your page with that your newly created Facebook account. Okay, so when you follow that page, you now go back, you now switch to your page. You switch to your page. When you switch to your page, you go to professional dashboard, click on page access. Okay, when you click on page access, you now search for that your Facebook newly created account. Okay, you search for the name, then give it a full control access. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. Alright, so you open your Facebook app. Open your Facebook app. When you open your Facebook app, let me switch to my profile. Okay, let's assume that this profile now is the let's assume that this profile is the one that Facebook disabled his ad account. Okay, you have to log out this profile first out of this app. Okay, so you have to log it out. You click on this your profile piece by the right, then scroll down, you see log out, you click on log out and log. Okay, when you log it out, you now log in that your newly created Facebook account to this app. Okay, then after logging it in, it will be like this, right? Then you click on this search bar up here, click on the search bar there. Okay, when you click on the search bar, you type in the page, that your page, the page you want to give this your newly created Facebook account and admin access. You search the page here. Okay, let's take for instance, let me search for one of my page. Okay, though this Facebook account is an admin already, okay, to all my pages. So when you search it, you search for the page and the page will appear. You follow that your page. Okay, you click on this follow button, follow that your page. All right, then after following your page with this your new Facebook account, so after following that your page, after following your page, you now log out this particular Facebook account, that your newly created Facebook account. You log it out again. Okay, this is the newly created Facebook account. Okay, you log it out again. So you click here, you click on your profile piece by the right, scroll down, click on log out and log it out again. You remember you logged it in to follow your page. Then you log it out, then log in that your old Facebook account, that the ad account was disabled. You log it in again. Okay, let's assume that you've logged it in, that this one is your old Facebook account. You've logged it in. So now what you have to do is to go to the pages that you manage, that is that your page. Okay, you click on your profile piece by the right like this. Okay, then you click on that page. Okay, let's use this page as an example. Okay, when you click on that page, you click on switch. So you're switching over to your page with your old Facebook account, so that you can give your new Facebook account an access to that page. Okay, so now you switch to your page. Okay, then click you click on this three line, that your profile piece again by the right. You click on it. Remember, this is your page now, right? Then you click on professional dashboard. Click on professional dashboard, then you scroll down, you click on page access. Okay, when you click on page access, you then click on people with Facebook access. Click on add new. Alright, not task access. Don't give that your new created Facebook account task access. No, instead give it the full access, that is Facebook access. Alright. So this task access, if you have, maybe you don't want to run the ad for yourself, you want to hire somebody to run an ad for you, don't give that person you want to hire, don't give that person full control of your page, so that they will not hack your page. Okay, instead you give that person task access. You click on this admin under task access, you click here. Okay, then you click on next and type in the name of that person you want to give access to your page. When you type in the name, let's take for instance, let's say you type in this name. Okay, you select that person's name. Okay, then click on the access you want to give that person. Since the person is to run an ad for you, just click on this ads. Okay, you click on this ad. If you want to give that person any other access here, you can give and click on this give access. Okay, the person will receive a notification and click on review access and accept it. Okay, so but for this your Facebook account, this your newly created Facebook account, you have to give it full control access to your page. Okay, so you click on this add new under Facebook access, then click on next, then type in that your newly created Facebook account. Type in the name here. Let's take for instance Favor. Okay, all the names that are answering Favor will come up. Yeah, then you click on the particular one. Let's take for instance this first one. Okay, remember when you click on that your new created Facebook account, when you click on it, you remember to click this button, allow this person to also have full control. All right, allow that your newly created Facebook account to have full control. Click on this blue button and click on give access. Okay, when you click on give access, the person will receive a notification. That your newly created Facebook account will receive a notification that this your page is requesting to give him or her an access to this page. Okay, so after doing this, I'm not giving this person, so I'm canceling it. So you just click on this give access. You receive a notification. Make sure you on this. Okay, so after doing that, okay, you go back to your profile. You switch back to your profile. This you click here to switch back to your profile. So after switching back to your profile, you click here on your profile piece by the right, then log out. Click on log out. So log out this your old Facebook profile. Okay, you log it out, then log in that your newly created Facebook account. Okay, let's assume that this is your newly created Facebook account that you logged into this Facebook app again. Then you click on this notification bell. Okay, you click there. When you click there, you will see that notification that your page is requesting your access to manage that page. You see it here. Then you click on it. When you click on it, you will see review change. Okay, you click on that review access. You see review access. You click on that review access, then click on accept. Okay, then this your newly created Facebook account can now manage that your page with full control. So you now watch that video that I said I will keep the link on the description box, description section. Okay, so you click on that link to watch how you can create a new ad account that you'll be using to run ads. Don't use the ad account that is linked to your Facebook profile account, Facebook account. Don't use the one that is linked to it. Create a new ad account that you'll be using to run ads, so that when Facebook disable that your ad account, you can create another one. All right. But if you use the one that is linked to your Facebook account, if Facebook disable it, you can't create another one. Instead, you have to create another Facebook account and also give that your newly created Facebook account an access, a page access to your page, an admin access to your page. This is now is a long process, but if you create another ad account that you be using to, if Facebook disable that ad account, you can create another one. It will not affect your main Facebook account. Okay. See you in my next video. Okay? So if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe. Okay, because I'll be posting valuable content that I post. All right. So make sure you subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you receive you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. All right. So I might be posting video maybe once in a week or 2 times in a week, depending. All right. All right. So see you in my next video. Bye.